broken block coming from the three-point smashers in this sequence. So far, so good. Young now setting up for reinforcement. Mid-Del finding that open space. Talaga niya. Yep. But followed by a missed serve coming from Ezra. Big jump serve. Pick up by Saltones there. And that results in another quick point from Oli Ocaro. Oli has only 9 points, which is not
dalawa na lang.
performance we've seen from Ocaro. So her game is already picking up. Definitely there is time for her to really make her mark. This is what I did notice from Oli from the start of their game. She has a slow start, but she gains
Nako. Isa na lang.
Wala ko si Valdez eh. Kung andyan si Valdez talaga.
Injured yata eh.
Magaling po si Valdez doon oh.
Parang hindi siya naka-uniform kanina eh. Out.
Ang ano ang puso ko. Isa na lang.
All na.
All na.
Yun, buti na lang nag-out. Buti na lang nag-service error.
Ang bilis lang ang mga puso.
First ball. Cal looking for Victoria. Easy pick up there by Gumabaw. Once. Another chance for Akari. Laxina using the hands of Dreamlight. She scores her 4th point and even things up at 21-all in the second set. Nothing too flashy coming from
Yan lamang nila kanina. 7 points.
Out na sana eh. Ginanon pa kasi yung isa eh.
Hindi, na-block eh.
So far with 11 points. Bonus again. This time stronger with a stop. This is a tough one. Victoria the Camille. Cal also helping out there. Getting. So this is going to be huge.
Hindi nila inalagaan yung lamang nila eh. 7 points. Yun. Na. Buti nag-service sa isa. Set point, set point. Set point. Zero na, 1 set na lang.